1, DCH Hybrid, combination youth and adult team. Lane 2, Blazing Dragons Fire. Lane 3, PDBA, Pottstown, DBC Youth. An acronym plate name the challenges, the DBC, DC Dragon, whatever the hell that about was a few years ago. Lane 4, New York Wall Street Dragons. Lane 5, the Fairmount Park Commodores.
Yeah, it's hard.
Well,
Gold, silver, and bronze, 3 medals on the line in this one. And this time we have lanes 1 and 5, and then a cluster of rows, lanes 2, 3, 4, running right tight together. Savvy steering. If the Pottstown PDBA DBC crew got out, those two crews are going to sit right on them. Very tight. Hitting the 250 mark. It looks like out of lane 2, that's actually Bucks County Blazing Dragons Fire. Very experienced crew, probably Chris Wetzel on the draw. We will see as they get closer. There's Bucks County Fire out of lane 2 with the lead. DCH in 1 in pursuit. Lanes 3, 4, and 5 dead level as they approach 200 to go. PDBA, Pottstown, DBC Youth, New York Wall Street, the Fairmount Park Commodores at number 5.
come on, Fire!
Let's go!
If anything is going to happen, this is where it happens, right here inside the last 100 meters. New York Wall Street. Look at the gap between those boats. In lane 5.
It's a gold!
They'll be
Oh, they'll be so happy!
Bucks County Blazing Dragons Fire with the gold. And we will get the read back on the other one. Definitely a photo finish for the bronze.